Is sitting really the new smoking? How does sleep detoxify your brain, help your body lose weight, and make you sexier? Can your gut bacteria have as much impact on your weight as exercise? How do those super productive people accomplish so much in the same 24 hours a day everyone else gets? What powerful obesogens should we avoid to... Wait a sec, that's a thing? An obesogen? Why haven't we heard of that before? Wouldn't it be great if life came with an instruction manual that showed you what the latest insights from scientific studies and practitioners teach us about how to be really productive, healthy, and even happy? A manual that left out the time-consuming, low-return actions and focused on what science says gives you the biggest impact on weight loss, health, and more, so that you could have time for work, family, fitness, and your personal life goals, so that you don't just live, but you live well. Now, there is a manual for living well. Living Well, 6 Pillars for Living Your Best Life is a book for anyone who wants to get the most out of life, with clear answers about health, diet, exercise, and personal habits that can make all the difference. Living Well incorporates all the elements of good health in 6 pillars: thinking well, eating well, moving well, sleeping well, hosting well, and staying well, giving you one whole life plan. Written by health and nutrition expert Greg Horn in the same engaging and accessible style that made Living Green a bestseller, Living Well consolidates the latest scientific research into common sense insights and offers a prescriptive action plan that you can incorporate into your own life. Greg Horn is a pioneer in health and wellness and former CEO of both America's #1 nutrition retailer, GNC, and the #1 health food store brand, Garden of Life. Greg's access to the world's leading health experts, his success at creating major nutrition brands, and his challenges overcoming his own health problems let him consolidate hundreds of research studies from around the world and distill the findings into simple, memorable, and sometimes surprising principles about what really works to improve your health and the quality of your everyday life. Greg cites over 200 scientific studies and articles that offer many startling revelations, like obesogens are chemicals that make you fat. Endocrine disruptors like BPA from some plastic bottles and metal cans have been shown to be powerful obesogens. Scientific research has shown that regular swimming can knock 20 years off your biological age. Walking can be just as healthy as running, and running too much can actually cause real damage to your cardiovascular system. People who drink 1 to 3 alcoholic drinks per day actually have lower death rates from cardiovascular disease than those who abstain from alcohol. Want more? Living Well is available at booksellers everywhere or online at greghorn.com.